Okay, now question number 11. The velocity v and acceleration a, pressure p are chosen as fundamental units. Again, we take velocity v, dimension of velocity is lt minus 1, acceleration a, it is lt minus 2, and pressure p, force upon area, mlt minus 2 is force, area is L2, it is ml minus 1 t minus 2. We have these three terms and we have to find dimensions of length. That means by using all this we have to find the dimension of length. How we can find out dimension of length? This is the question. तो इसका हमारे पास में सिंपल फॉर्मूला क्या है कि डिराइव द फॉर्मूला L इज प्रोपोर्शनल टू K कांस्टेंट बाद में पुट कर देंगे. लेट इट इज v रेज टू द पावर x, acceleration raised to the power y, and pressure raised to the power z. Or on the left hand side we have L, that is m0, L1 and t0, constant K, velocity is lt minus 1 x, acceleration is lt minus 2 y, pressure is ml minus 1 t minus 2 z. K, m raised to the power z only, L raised to the power x plus y, and t raised to the power minus x minus 2y minus 2z. If we compare dimension of power of m is 0, here z is 0, x plus y, here it is 1, x plus y is 1, t is 0, minus x minus 2y minus 2z is 0. If we put the value of z 0, we get x plus 2y equals to 0, and let x is equal to 1 minus y, 1 minus y plus 2y equals to 0, 1 plus y equals to 0, or y equals to minus 1, and if we put the value of x y equals to minus 1, we get x equals to 2. Therefore we get the relation L is equal to constant K, v raised to the power 2, a raised to the power minus 1, p raised to the power 0. Therefore it is v square by a. A is having same dimension as that of g, acceleration due to gravity in the g also. That means option number A is correct. Now next question number 12. Now there another method also to obtain this type of questions. Let's come to question number 12. In question number 12, again the same type of question. If the fundamental units are force F, L and T are fundamental units, then find the dimension of mass. You have to find mass in terms of F, L and T. Now the dimension of F is m, L, T minus 2, L और T है. ये तीन डायमेंशन यूज करके हमें क्या निकालना है? मास. हाउ वी कैन कैलकुलेट मास? नाउ F, this is F. If we divide this F is having dimension m, L, T minus 2. If we divide this F by L and T minus 2, then we get the dimension of mass. That means this is F near L and T raised to the power minus 2. That means 12th is F L minus 1 T2. This is dimension of mass. That means option number A is the correct. Now come to question number 13th. Dimensions of gravitational constant G. I think I have already told you in our lecture how to calculate the dimension of G, we can use this formula G m1 m2 upon r square. And if we solve this, G is equal to F into r square by m1 m2. And if we solve that, force is mlt minus 2, r square is L2, and meter square is kg is m2. It moves up, we get m minus 1, L1 and L2 is L3, t minus 2. That means 13 is again option number A. A is correct. Now come to question number 14th. 14th is if the unit of force and length are double, we have F and length. The unit of energy is having same unit as that of work done is force into length. Now if we double it, if force is double, twice F dash L dash. If F dash is twice of F and L dash is twice of L, then it is 4 times FL. That means new unit of energy is 4 times 4 unit. That means it will increase 4 times. 14th option answer is D. Now next 15th one. If m is the mass and k is force per unit length, m is mass having unit kg, dimension m, and k is force per unit length. Force is mlt minus 2 upon L, it is mt minus 2. Then what is dimension formula by m by k? If we divide these two terms, what we get? M upon mt minus 2. M and m will cancel out, we get t minus 2. When this t minus 2 is taken to numerator, it becomes t2. That is m0 L0 t plus 2. Now question number 30 is question number 15 is C option, m0 L0 t2. C option is correct. Now come to question number 16. Is the dimension formula for change in momentum. Delta P is change in momentum. Momentum and change in momentum both have same dimensions, because if we can subtract two terms if they have same units and dimension. And I have told you that this in our lecture, that this change in momentum is impulse. Option D is correct. Now come to question number 17. In the relation, many students have problem in this question number 17. Cos omega t minus kx. The dimension formula for kx you have to find out. The angle, this angle of cos or sine, is dimensionless. This omega t is having same dimension as that of kx. Kx is dimensionless. Omega t will also be dimensionless, because angle cos theta sin theta, basically simple equation is v equals to r cos theta. This is theta. Omega t minus kx is theta, and theta is dimensionless, therefore omega t and kx both are dimensionless. So B is the most suitable answer, r by y. R is amplitude having dimension of length, y is distance having dimension of length, length and length will cancel out and we get dimensionless quantity m0, l0 and t0. Therefore option number B, 17 बहुत स्टूडेंट्स की प्रॉब्लम थी, इसका आंसर है B. Now next come to question number 18. The dimension formula for RT. We have equation PV equals to nRT. R is the gas constant and T is the temperature. So you have to find out this RT. What is P into V? Pressure is force upon area and volume is area into length होता है. Area and area cancel out. We get F into length. What is force into distance? Force into distance is work done or energy. This P into V we call it as pressure energy. Basically this P into V we can say energy, dimension of energy. Pressure energy बोल देते हैं but dimension energy के होते हैं. And if left hand side is energy then right hand side must also be having the same dimension as that of energy. Therefore RT is having dimension of energy. This is question number 18th. I think it is very easy. Question number 19th. The unit of momentum. Momentum is mass into velocity, or also F is equal to rate of change of momentum. Therefore change in momentum is F into dt. The unit of momentum is, force is Newton and dt is second. Newton second. Option number A is correct. Now question number 20th. The focal power of lens. Power of lens is given by 1 by F and unit of F is centimeter or meter. In case of power it is meter. Dimension of meter is L. Therefore it is L minus 1. Answer is C. Now I have some doubt in question number 8. Now we come back to question number 8. All questions I found there is no doubt or any problem is there, but we come back to question number 8. I have some doubt in question number 8. Length in a particular system, in a new system it is 10 centimeter. Mass is given as 10 gram and time is given as 0.1 second. You have to find in this unit. This is new unit, and in this unit you have to find the unit of force in new system. New system में F dash मान लिया, and new system में इसका magnitude है N2. F given है, न्यूटन होता है किस में, M के S में. I will just repeat it. Now N2 is equal to N1. Dimension is MLT minus 2. N1 M1 by M2 1, L1 by L2 1 and T1 by T2 minus 2. N2 we have calculate. N1 is taken as 1 Newton. M1 is given as 1 kg. It is 10 gram. 100 centimeter it is 10 centimeter. 1 second 0.1 second minus 2. 1000 gram upon 10 gram (100 centimeter upon 10 centimeter). 1 second 10 minus 1 minus 2. 100 into 10 into this minus 1 ऊपर जाएगा तो 10 raised to the power minus 2. It is 10 Newton. I think option will be C. Now we have done all the questions of the test. It is not so easy, but you need to make your level to solve these type of questions. You do more practice, and after watching this video, if you find further any doubt or queries, you may ask in the group. I will explain that particular question if you found any doubt in a particular question. Do prepare, and up to dimensions we have done, and tomorrow we will meet on a live class. I will try to discuss your problems in the live class. Okay, now thank you, have a nice day.